Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to type coordinates into Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to type coordinates into Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And in order to type coordinates into Google Maps, guys, you can directly type your coordinates over here on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now, in order to type it, you can get the demo of the coordinates which we input into the Google Maps by tapping and holding on a certain location. If I tap and hold on my location over here, you can see the location being shown to us at the top of the screen on the search bar. You can type in your coordinates into Google Maps the same way as it is typed in over here, as it was typed over here a moment ago. So let's do that again. Let's tap and hold over here, and you can see, guys, the coordinates is shown to us over here. You can type in the coordinates of a place which you want to search on map the similar way it is typed it over here, with a comma between the longitude and the latitude. And if we copy it, let's cut it and let's go back, and if we are someplace else on the Google Maps, and if we close it and if we paste it over here, the coordinates just we had cut it over here, and if we search for it, our location will be shown to us like this on the Google Maps. For example, let's do that for another position on Google Maps. Let's get the coordinates of a place, some place near, and let's tap and hold on it, and the coordinates is shown to us at the top of the screen on the search bar, if not on this interface. And again, you can type in the coordinates into Google Maps the same way it is shown to you over here at the search bar. So let's go back and let's get the coordinates of a place, and let's copy this, and let's close this, and let's get the coordinates of a place. And over here you can see the coordinates are available for us at the top of the screen. And if we cut it and if we go back, and if you again type in the coordinates the same way Google had shown to us, and if you search for it, and you can see, guys, that location will be shown to us on the Google Maps like this. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to type in coordinates into Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.